First question is that in which year Frédéric Choriot, a French artist, prepared a series of 4 prints visualizing his dream of a world made up of democratic and social republics? Answer is 1848. Second question, the Statue of Liberty belongs to which country? The correct answer is America. Third question is that in which figure liberty was personified? The correct answer is female figure. Question number 4 is that what does the torch symbolize present in the Statue of Liberty? The correct answer is enlightenment. Question number 5 is that which country were leading the procession way past the Statue of Liberty? The correct answer is America and Switzerland. Question number 6, in which century nationalism emerged as a force which brought about sweeping changes in the political and mental world of Europe? The correct answer is 19th century. Now the next question, question number 7 is that in which type state a centralized power exercised sovereign control over a clearly defined territory? The correct answer is a modern state. Question number 8 is in which type of state the majority of citizens develop a sense of common identity? The correct answer is nation state. Now the question number 9 is that name the philosopher who placed his opinion about what is a nation. Now the correct answer is Ernst Renan. And now question number 10 is define the term plebiscite. The correct answer is that a direct vote to accept or reject a proposal. Name the color of the German flag. Now the correct answer is BRG. You can learn in short form. आप इसे शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लर्न कर सकते हो. BRG means black, red and gold. Now see the next question, question number 11. Question number 11 is that in what type of state a centralized power exercised sovereign control over a clearly defined territory? Now the correct answer is a modern state. Now next question, question number 12 is that define the term utopian. Now answer is a vision of a society that is not actually exist. Now question number 13 is that in what type of state the majority of its citizens to develop a sense of common identity? Now the answer is that nation state. Now next we proceed to the question number 14. Question number 14 is that what is the meaning of la patrie? Now the correct answer is the fatherland. Now next question, question number 15 is that what is the meaning of le citoyen? Correct answer is the citizen. Next question, question number 16 is that name the parliament of France before the French Revolution. Now the correct answer is that the States General. Now question number 17 is that by which name the States General was renamed? And now correct answer is that the National Assembly. Now next question, question number 18 is that which language was spoken in Paris that became the common language of the nation? And now correct answer is that French language. Next question, question number 19. In which year the civil code was formed by Napoleon that was also known as the Napoleonic Code? Now the correct answer is 1804. Next question, question number 20 is that what was guild? The correct answer is an organization of merchants. Next question, question number 21. Who were welcomed as harbingers of liberty? Now correct answer is that the French armies. Next question number 22. Which empire ruled over Austria, Hungary? The correct answer is the Habsburg Empire. Next question, question number 23. Which language was used and spoken by the half of the population in Hungary? And now, correct answer is Magyar language. Next question, question number 24 is that who spoke French for purposes of diplomacy and in high society? You can see the question in page number 8. And now the correct answer is the aristocrats or aristocracy. Next question, question number 25. In which century industrialization began in England? And now the correct answer is in the half of the 18th century. Next question, question number 26. In which century industrialization began in France and Germany? Now correct answer is that in 19th century. Next question, question number 27. Which two new social groups came after industrialization? Now correct answer is working class and middle class. Now next question, question number 28. What was the meaning of liberalism for the new middle classes? And the now correct answer is freedom for individual and equality of all before the law. Next question, question number 29. What is the meaning of the term suffrage? And the correct answer is the right to vote. And now dear, the last question of this series, question number 30. Which government given right to vote to all adult male? And now the correct answer is the Jacobin government. Question number 31. In which year Napoleon invaded Italy and Napoleonic Wars began? Correct answer 1797. Question number 32. In which year Greek struggle for independence began? Correct answer is in 1821. 33. What was an ellé? Correct answer is a measurement unit in France. Question number 34. What was Zollverein? Now correct answer is a custom union. Question number 35. Which country took initiative to form Zollverein? The correct answer is Persia. Question number 36. Which countries were known as the European powers? The correct answer is Britain, Austria, Persia and Russia. Question number 37. Who hosted the Vienna Congress in 1815? Now correct answer is Duke Metternich, the Austrian Chancellor. Next question. Which dynasty had been deposed during the French Revolution? Now correct answer is the Bourbon dynasty. Next question. How many states were there in German Confederation? Now correct answer is 39 states. Question number 40. Who had set up the German Confederation? The correct answer is Napoleon. Next question. In which country Giuseppe Mazzini was born? Now correct answer is in Geneva. Next question. Which secret society Giuseppe Mazzini joined? Now correct answer is the Carbonari. Next question. Which treaty recognized Greece as an independent nation in 1832? The correct answer is the Treaty of Constantinople. Next question. Who criticized the glorification of reason and science on nationalism? The correct answer is Romantic artists. Next question. What is the meaning of Das Volk? The correct answer is the common people. Now next question. Question number 46. What is the meaning of Volksgeist? Now correct answer is true spirit of nation. Next question. What is the meaning of the term vernacular? The correct answer is local language. Next question. Who were famous as Grimm's fairy tales? The correct answer is Jacob and Wilhelm Grimm. Next question. What are Polonaise and Mazurka. The correct answer is folk dances of Poland. In which year weavers had led a revolt against contractors in Silesia? The correct answer is in 1845. Now question number 51. After which revolution suffrage was guaranteed to all adult males above 21 in France? The correct answer is after the revolution of 1848. Question number 52. How many elected representatives took their places in the Frankfurt Parliament convened in the Church of St. Paul in Germany? The correct answer is 831 representatives. Next question. Who was offered the crown by the Frankfurt Parliament? The correct answer is Frederick Wilhelm IV, King of Prussia. Next question. Who were called Junkers? The correct answer is large landowners of Prussia. Next question. Who took the leadership of the movement for the unification of Germany? Now correct answer is Prussia. Next question. Who was the chief minister of Prussia? The correct answer is Otto von Bismarck. Next question. Who was the architect of the process of unification of Germany? The correct answer is Otto von Bismarck. Next question. To which countries Germany had to fight for unification of Germany? The correct answer is Austria, Denmark and France. Next question. In which year the process of unification of Germany completed? The correct answer is in January 1871. Question number 60. Who was proclaimed German Emperor after unification? The correct answer is Kaiser William I of Prussia. Next question. At which place Hall of Mirrors is situated in Germany? Correct answer is at Versailles. Next question. In how many states Italy was divided? Now correct answer is 7 states. Next question. Which state was ruled by an Italian princely house? The correct answer is Sardinia Piedmont. Next. Who had formed a secret society called Young Italy? The correct answer is Giuseppe Mazzini. Next one. Which state took the leadership of unification of Italy under its ruler King Victor Emmanuel II? The correct answer is Sardinia Piedmont. Next question. Who were the prominent leaders to unify Italy? The correct answer is Chief Minister Mount Cavour, Garibaldi and Victor Emmanuel II. Next one. In which year Italy was unified? The correct answer is in 1861. Next question. Who was proclaimed the King of United Italy? The correct answer is Victor Emmanuel II. Now question number 70. In which year the English Parliament seized power from the monarchy? The correct answer is in 1688. Question number 71. Which act in 1707 between England and Scotland resulted in the formation of the United Kingdom of Great Britain? The correct answer is the Act of Union. Next question. In which year Ireland was forcibly incorporated into the United Kingdom? The correct answer is in 1801. Next question. Which flag is known as Union Jack? The correct answer is the British flag. Next question. Name the national anthem of the British. The correct answer is God Save Our Noble King. Question number 75. Name the female figure of Germany. The correct answer is Germania. Next question. Which crown Germania wears? The correct answer is crown of oak leaves. Next question. Name the thing that stands for heroism in Germany. The correct answer is oak leaves. Next one. Question number 79. Who were known as the Slavs? The correct answer is inhabitants of the Balkan region. And the last question of Chapter number 1 is question number 80. Name the modern countries that comprised the Balkans. The correct answer is Romania, Bulgaria, Albania, Greece, Macedonia, Croatia, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Slovenia, Serbia and Montenegro.